Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to use conditional statements within a store procedure. So first I will show my table. This is my person table which contains 4 columns. So if you observe the age column, there are different age people are there in my table. So I want to segregate using the conditional statements 3 different age groups based on the condition on age column. First one is if age is less than 35, I am considering as a youth. It is between 35 and 60, I am considering as a middle age. And if it is greater than 60, I am considering as a old. This is the logic I want to segregate using conditional statement, else if conditional statement for getting the output within store procedure. Create proc or procedure age group. So I am taking two variables. One is input parameter and the other one is output parameter. Person ID is the input parameter. So output parameter I am taking as age group. Age underscore group. This is output parameter. I am declaring data type as Varchar. Out is the keyword as begin and end. Begin and end. So in between I am writing my logic. So first I am declaring one percentage variable. Declare person age. Person underscore age. Person underscore age. I am declaring integer with my data type. So next one. So I am mapping this percentage with the age column in the table. Select percentage equal to age from person where ID means here column name. I am mapping the ID with person ID is my input parameter. Now I am start writing the condition statement. If percentage is less than 35, if percentage is less than 35, set age group equal to youth. So next statement, else if person dot age between 35 and 60, between 35 and 60, set age group is equal to middle age. Next thing here, again I am writing the else. Set age group is equal to old age. This is the logic. And finally end. Okay. This is the logic. So here I am using personality as the input parameter and the age group as output parameter. So now I am creating the show procedure. Procedure is created successfully. So remember, whenever you create any output parameter, you need to declare one variable as well. So here I am declaring variable as at result. I am declaring age underscore group. This is my variable and this is my Varchar data type. Now I am calling the store procedure. execute EXEC your procedure name. This is my procedure name. I am taking this procedure name. So, so here it is asking person ID. Provide person ID integer. So I am taking the person ID as 3. Now I am providing output parameter. So for that output parameter I am taking a result age group out. Now select as age group. This is alias. So I am declaring the variable first for output parameter. So at the time of the execution, I am executing this store procedure name. So here in the store procedure, I need to pass one input parameter and one output parameter. So I am passing the input parameter person ID as 3 and result age group I am declaring with this variable as the output parameter. So I am selecting that variable. So you see this that ID number person ID is 3. That person has comes under middle age. ID number 3 comes under middle age. So if I change this ID as 7, so what is the 7? So this person also comes under middle age group. Middle age. So if I change it as 12, this person comes under youth. If you check the person age for 12 or 12th ID, so it is 28. This is the logic. This is how you need to build your if conditional statements. Hope this video helpful to how to write a if conditional statements within the structure. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.